Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Chubb. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Chubb, visit their official website. Look for the Contact Us section, typically located at the bottom of the home page. Click on the Contact Us link to access the different communication options. Choose the method that suits you best, whether it's phone, email, or live chat. If you prefer to call, find the customer service number listed on the page. Dial the number and follow the automated prompts to reach a representative. For email inquiries, locate the provided email address and compose your message. Be sure to include all relevant information to expedite the process. If you opt for live chat, click the chat button to initiate a conversation. Wait for a representative to join the chat and assist you. You may also connect with Chubb via their social media platforms. Look for their official profiles on platforms like Twitter and Facebook. Send a direct message or engage with their posts for assistance. For product-specific queries, consider using the search bar to find pertinent resources. Browse through the FAQs for quick answers to common questions. Once your inquiry is submitted, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow up if you do not receive a response within the expected timeframe. Keep your information organized to streamline future communications. By following these steps, you'll successfully connect with Chubb for your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.